Hi, my name's Alan Cowgill, and for those of you that don't know me, I'm known as the guy that's cracked the code on finding private money for your real estate deals. And the Chicago Creative Investors Association has asked me to come back and do a Saturday workshop, and I would love to have you there. It will be an exciting day for you. Let me tell you a little bit on why you ought to be there. You know, I speak all over the nation. I find out from surveys that I take that 85% of the room before they meet me are doing this. They're going to banks. I want to take a stark look at reality at what you're signing up for if you decide to go to a bank. Number one is you can lose one of the best deals because somebody comes along and buys it out from underneath you. Number two is you got to have money down. In fact, that's a showstopper for some of you. With private lenders, you're going to learn from me Saturday that you don't have to have any money down. Well, 20% down. Let's take a simple example of a $100,000 loan. 20%, that's $20,000 you got to take into closing before you do the deal. Or in other words, the bank won't loan you any more than 80%. And so you got to make up the rest. And then points and loan fees, they aren't high, but they're still eroding your profit base. They won't finance some unusual deals. And I'll show you some of my deals that they wouldn't have touched, but I made tens of thousands of dollars on, all because I had private money. They like monthly payments. Half of my deals are without monthly payments, and if you so desire, by the time I'm done with you on Saturday, you could set up your business where 100% of your deals are without monthly payments. And for some of you that are doing retail and wholesale, I'd recommend that you do that because even with wholesale, you might need some money, and I'll explain that Saturday, how that comes into play. They take time. I wanted to buy a duplex, place appraised okay, credit's okay, took the bank 4.5 months to make up their mind. I could have lost that deal. Today I can get an offer accepted on a Monday. I can own the property on a Friday the same week. Wouldn't you rather live in that world? That's how you make money, is to move fast. And you got no relationship with the bank, but you think you do because you are lulled into a sense of security because you've got somebody's name in their business card. And I'm here to tell you, you got air. You got nothing because they can quit, retire, get laid off, and you got to start all over again. Or they change the rules like they did on me, and I'll explain more about that when I get to Saturday on how the bank changed the rules once I quit my job, or if I had X number of properties and they didn't want, they changed their rules. Look, it's December 14th. It's going to go from 9 a.m. to 3. You want to be there by 8:30 to get signed in, and I'll start teaching. Here's where it's at, Naperville Campus, up in Naperville, Illinois. And if you want information, you go to CCIA, okay, for Chicago Creative Investor Association, -info.com. In fact, I'll show you right now. I'm going to walk you right through how you get signed up for this. Is go to that site, find the events arrow. I'll show you a picture of that on the next page. Click on Cowgill WS for workshop. See the next slide, and here it is. So go up there where I got that red arrow, and you see where it says events. You click on that arrow, and you got to pull down, and you'll see Cowgill WS. Click on that, and that will then take you to this page where they've got a nice little video of me doing some training at a live event, just like the one you're going to come to, and more information about the event. And you can sign up for the event, and you need to do that right now. And so here's where it is again, Naperville Campus, and sign up and join me. And you will love the event. I cover a ton of information, things that you can't even imagine. I will train you on, which will make you a better real estate investor going forward, and you will love the training. It's all about money. You know, there's only 4 parts of a real estate deal at the very top level. Number 1 is you got to find the property, a motivated seller. Number 2 is my world. You got to fund it. Number 3 is you typically fix it to enhance the value, and number 4 is you either keep it long term or you sell it. You move quick and retail it. If you can't get by the second item, you are dead in the business. And one of the beautiful things about private money, there is a variety of different things you can use the money for in real estate and actually outside of real estate. So maybe we'll even talk about that too. Hey, join me. 9 to 3, Saturday, December 14th. It will rock. To your wealth.